Trinidad.
You think it's right, yeah? How do you spell Jamaica?
J-A-M-I-C-A, isn't it? J-A-M-I-C-A.
Nah, that's wrong.
Alright. Why you turn up a minute spot? J-A-M. Huh? J-A-M-I-C-A.
Yes.
How, Sway?
No.
J-A-M-A-I-C-A.
Yes. We got there in the end.
I'm not that stupid, I promise. Trinidad.
You think it's right, yeah?
Yeah, it is right.
It is right.
G-U-I-N-A. But I'm trying.
Guy. Anna.
Okay, G-U-Y-N-A.
How do you spell Barbados?
Barbados.
No.
I forgot.
A fruit or is it a vegetable?
It's a vegetable.
No.
Oh God! You can't do this when people are drunk.
It's not.
Okay, next. I can do this.
Ask you.
Yeah, ask him.
Aki. You know about Aki?
I can't eat that.
You know what it is?
I know it is. It's not a fish.
Hold up.
I know it is. It's not a fish. Fish.
What?
Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? Aki and swordfish. Huh?
Cheese is a vegetable, I'm sure.
No,
It's a fruit. It's a fruit. Oh my
Are you sure?
No, it is a fruit, 100%.
Yeah, it's a fruit, it's a fruit.
165.
Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable?
Vegetable. It's not.
Is it a vegetable, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not a vegetable.
Is it not?
It's not. You learn
There's
something.
no seeds.
You learn something. You learn something new every day, man.
Good question, a fruit. Yeah?
Done though.
Right.
Do you know who Marcus Garvey is?
He is a black representative and he spoke and he fought for black people. Yes? And he used to live in Kensington.
We'll give you that, yeah. Marcus Garvey? No?
Marcus.
Garvey.
Your president. I think he's someone important, but
Okay, that's good. Yeah, obviously someone important.
He was the person who inspired the Back to Africa movement after slavery was done. He wanted all the people to move back to Africa, to go back to their roots. He was a very strong Jamaican man, good role model for all the people, and everyone needs to get to know who he is and all the great things that he's done.
Wow. Picnic. What is picnic?
Oh, I got this. No, children. Child. Chinese child. That's a child. Pygmy.
Picnic. Not pygmy. Not pygmy.
People, little people,
Picnic. P-I-C. Pic. That's it. You got it.
Yeah?
Little people.
Bless,
Yes, man. Respect.
Young buck.
Okay, if I'm gonna get technical on this one, it can mean ghost,
Oi!
or it can mean I'm gonna done a man,
got it,
I'm gonna
ghost.
just be a man.
You got it. Picnic.
Help. Kids.
Yeah. Hold on, man. Hold on. What brings you to Carnival?
Music,
Why are you here?
Music, the vibes,
Yeah?
dancing.
Okay. Dancing.
Celebrating our culture.
Carnival, the girls.
Yeah.
The girls. The wine. Special thing about wine is the hips moving. It's a special thing, you know. It's an art.
Okay.
Someone's here for the art. Oh, the whole vibe, sort of the food, the drink,
Yeah?
sort of the floats and everything, the music. It's great.
Okay.
The atmosphere, bro. It's
Yeah?
always the atmosphere. You know what I
Atmosphere,
mean?
yeah?
The food, the
Yeah?
people, the vibe.
Yeah.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
How we go.
Oh, yeah. Do you know how to make it?
To be honest, no.
You don't? Would you like to know how to make
I
it?
would love to know.
Original flavour, man.
It's got to be jerk chicken, rice and peas.
That's a good choice, you know?
Yeah.
But do you know how to make it?
No, I
You
don't know
don't?
how to make it.
Can't tell me 3 ingredients that is used for jerk chicken.
Salt, pepper, and tomato.
Red pea soup.
Red pea soup, that's a nice one, you know? You're making me hungry, you know? Serious. So what's the main ingredients for red pea soup?
Cassava, kidney beans, potato, yam, a bit of yam.
Wow, but you gave me 4 there, boy.
My favourite is curry mutton and rice.
Curry mutton.
Yeah.
The 3 main ingredients for mutton.
Right, so you have the mutton, or you could have, lamb? I like lamb. You have the mutton, you have to curry the meat, make sure you curry the meat overnight, maybe 2 days if you really want it to
Okay,
seep in.
you done that. Yeah.
You have to get the onion,
Yeah.
pepper, 'cause I like my curry mutton hot.
Okay.
Okay.
So you
I've got a lot of Caribbean dishes that I like. I like
tell me them.
Bayesian fish cakes.
Okay.
Yeah, flying fish cutter.
Wow.
Yeah.
Doubles.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have to make it?
I know how it's made.
What's the 3 main ingredients?
It's the chickpeas, chili, and the bread. Wait. Now my turn. Ready? Wait. I'm gonna put him in blast.
All right.
How do you spell Saint Martin?
S
A-I-N-T Saint hyphen
Saint.
Martin.
Oh, the way you said it. It's the pronunciation.